slightly last night. Well, getting a COVID-19 test can be difficult, from finding a testing location to having enough money to pay for it. But today, Liberty Missionary Baptist Church in Tuscaloosa made it a little easier for everyone in the community. WVUA 23's Karis Harmon joins us live tonight from Studio A with more. Karis.
Jabari, it was a really nice turnout, and people from all around Tuscaloosa were able to drive up and get a free COVID-19 test.
Anyone that needs it.
Whether they are...
Cars were lined up at Liberty Missionary Baptist Church in Tuscaloosa for anyone to get a COVID-19 test. Registered Nurse Keya Tabb says testing for the COVID-19 virus is a very important service for the community.
They consider Black African Americans as one of the ones to be at high risk, and we know that a lot of us have a lot of underlying conditions, so that is one thing that we was concentrating on, those that are that have a lot of underlying conditions and are at a greater risk.
Managing Director of the American Medical Screening, Eric Boone, said these tests are more easily accessible to anyone that needs it.
Whether they are 6 years old or 60 years old, whether they are an undocumented immigrant, as long as they can show up, we will test them.
Members of the community say that drive-thru testing is not only convenient, but it's also extremely beneficial for those that can't afford a test.
The testing they offered was free of charge, and Eve Clark says she was very grateful to receive a free test because she doesn't have insurance, and the last time she paid for a test, it cost her $179.
I was really happy to see that it was free. When I got here, I didn't even believe it was going to be free. And when he said, no, it's completely free, I was so excited and I really appreciated it.
Nurse Tabb says an opportunity for free testing is necessary.
We're in the middle of a pandemic. They can't afford to pay it. Some people don't have health insurance, so, it worked out pretty good for everybody.
The American Medical Screening says if you are interested in setting up a free testing event, tell your church or organization to visit getacovidtest.com. Reporting live for WVUA 23 News, I'm Karis Harmon.